Welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zans. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado, I go. No.
Mama yangu, game over. God have mercy upon mama yangu, game over. Mwenye uwanja wake kaingia sasa. Game ishaisha. Maana sofa huu mnala ulioingia.
Okay.
No.
Kasongo yeye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona wewe Songa libala oh yeye Kasongo mbona wewe Mombali nanga Kasongo yeye Mombali nanga
So wafanya nini? Mapoicha. Usistende uchoro wake na mchipusi wake. Yes. Sharp.
Your total is 250, boss.
It's 250, okay. 250.
Boss, I said 250.
Yes, it's 250. 150, 250. So what? What?
Well, I just watched my dog chase his tail around for 15 minutes, and I thought, God, he's easily entertained. And then I realized I sat there for 15 minutes and watched him.
Ngithenga request lana bengazi mina ukuthi ngirequest le moto lena. Hayibo. Come on. Ngiyaphila. Bengazi ukuthi ngirequest le moto yazi. Ngiyaqala ukuyigibela. People keep saying you look like daddy, but I don't see it. I think you look like mommy. Let's see. Let's see.
Musukutetema vumela ukuwa nje uwe ngobuso kuleso situlo ngoba wazini enza uvula ifridge ungasebenzi nalapho ligwetele uyinja nje yengane ufuna ukushawa.
The door, don't get a key, you outside looking in.
Boy, I am you spitting bars. You spitting birds, boy. Literal, okay, go for the tap. For the tap, boy, it's cause a flood.
First time seeing a nigga actually spitting.
You are just spitting for a literal bar.
I am not the grandmother. I am the grandmother's daughter. Let's go.
I am not the grandmother. I am the grandmother's sister. I am not the grandmother. I am the daughter. I am not the grandmother. I am the grandmother daughter. I am not grandmother. I am not brother daughter. I'm not grandmother. I'm not grandmother. I'm not grandmother. I'm not grandmother. I am not mother. I am not father.
That's the question.
My not daughter. I am not my grandfather. I am not daughter. I am not my grandfather. Daughter. I am not grandmother daughter. I am your daughter.
Teacher, will you punish me for something I didn't do?
No.
I didn't do my homework.
I don't care about that stuff. I don't care to show off like the way that I used to. It's just not who I am anymore.
You guys, I just can't even. All these diamonds.
You've McDonald.
Hayibo sisangidlala. Udleni?
Oh, sengiyakhumbula. I-captain yesingu.
Hayibo. Yazi ngizokuyeka mina. Udleni? How?
Okay. Mhlaleres. Ikuphuthi negundwane.
Hayibo, wesizodwa uzongizwisa.
Who is Monica, love?
I don't know, I'm just seeing it now.
Who is Monica?
I don't know, Nabi, I'm just
Are
seeing
you
it.
not the one that saved the number? Hello?
Hello, baby, how are you?
God save me, say I'm Africa.
Babe, this is your phone. Who is Monica?
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Almighty Ghost Subi. Hey, what up? In this video, I'm about to surprise my boy
Peanuts with the most expensive motorcycle in the world. You know what's going on, everybody? And going to the top is level. Yo, it's your boy Peanuts. Just funny Peanuts. What's that? Peanuts. Just. So guys, let me just blindfold my boy here. I'm about to surprise him. You know what's going on, everybody? You know what's going on, everybody? You know what's going on, everybody? Yo, I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. I'm gonna be ready, though. Yo. I'm so shaking. I'm shaking. Guys, so right now, I'm about to reveal Peanuts' most expensive shit. You know what I'm talking about. Go. Wait. Before that, Nigga Katso just released a new banger. These are the most expensive Dolce & Gabbana dripping shoes. What you gotta do is just press on them. Water comes through. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? Let's get it, guys. Don't never ask ghost. Nah, don't be my boy. I'm so grateful, dog. I'm so grateful, dog. Don't be my boy. Def me, dog. Don't be my boy. Def me, dog. Don't be my boy. You're the best. Ghost, you're the best. Ghost, you're the best. You're the best, Ghost. Hold on for a moment. Yo, I'm never ask, guys. Guys. Oh my God. Scooter. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ghost. Give me, dog. Ghost. You like a scooter, boy? Peanuts. Guys, this is the end of the video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, going to the top is level. You know what I'm talking about. No, don't. What do you want, boy? What do you want? No, boy, relax, boy.
Uzovuka ngomsekuseni kavuke ephakeni go hayi bo my sister
Ina kwenza kanjani baba?
Kanjani?
Wasule lokusula. Athini?
Bengigqibele fake i-headphones.
Yo. Ke tla la ka lona. A ke seng ka le rekelang, wait.
Izolo ubuthe umisi wakho masingumiss Conroy. Ndimbiza kahle ngo-soft R.
Yes.
So zikhona ezinye types zo-R ke ngoku xa kukho soft. Bakhona o-hard okanye ntoni?
Many different kinds.
Ungasixelela.
If I name some things, it will be ring. It has a core, another core of another harder R. And then.
But it's still a R, musungoku. Saphinda uthi R.
Yes.
But mna ndithi R. So ndifuna ke ngoku ur uyabizwa like as elhlobo mna ndimbiza ngalo.
Some people do, but in the speaking of English, we don't pronounce it like that. We have an R and not R.
Oh, so ndirongo.
Yes.
Okay, khanixelele ke abanye R aba.
Another core of R of a strong R is a R.
Okay.
Named as a raw.
Oh, I get you. So it's the difference between low, soft, no hard.
Yes.
Oh, ngimsile ke ndiyafunda phako.
So gore basadi ka moka.
Bahlapi.
First prank of 2026. Ayayela phone yami lena choose.
Oh, diphuma le mix ja.
Uzethu mo.
Like summer breeze.
Shame, I don't have money even. I'll give you.
Hey, give me that pussy, girl.
What do you want?
That's